This is going to be a video tutorial on how to direct message somebody using a mobile device. I'll be using an iPhone SE, but this should work very similarly on Android devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone open here. First thing you need to do is click on your Twitter app, of course. I'm going to select that. And then you need to go to the profile of the person that you're trying to direct message. I'm going to click on this one right down here. And now, as you can see, next to the follow button, you see the little mail icon there. And you want to select that. And then you can type your message right down here. And then you would hit send. But for most people, let me go to a different profile here. As you can see, this profile here does not have that mail icon there. What you would have to do here, by default, Twitter does not enable the direct messaging for a person. You have to set it up in settings. I'll show you how to do that, but to direct message this person, you would have to follow the person first, and then that little mail icon will appear. To enable your Twitter profile to allow people to direct message you, the way you do that, you want to click on your little icon up in the upper left-hand corner, select that. Then you will scroll down to where it says Settings and Privacy and select that. Then you'll scroll down again to where you see it says Privacy and Safety and select that. And then from here you'll scroll down to where you see it says Direct Messages. It says Manage Who Can Message You Directly. Click on that. And then this top toggle up here, Allow Message Requests from Everyone. Like I said, by default, only people that can direct message you is people that you follow, unless you toggle this on. If you want people outside of who you follow to message you, you just toggle this on. And that's it. That's how you set up direct messages on your Twitter profile. Thanks for watching.